how to install Android Studio on Mac. In this lecture, I will show you how to install the Android Studio IDE on your Mac computer. First, open up a new web browser and then search for Android Studio Installer. And then, select the first result that says Install Android Studio. Here are the steps on how to install Android. Just click the download link to proceed. This will automatically check which operating system that you're currently on. So here, it shows us that the installer is for Android Studio IDE for Mac. Just agree with the terms and conditions to continue. It will take some time for the download to complete, so just wait for a while until it's done. Okay, it is now downloaded. Open up the installer and then let's see what will happen. You will see this dialog box appear. What we need to do next is to drag and drop the Android Studio.app to our applications folder. Great! It is now copying the app to our applications folder. And when you go to that specific directory, you will see that the Android Studio is added there. Let's now open up our IDE to proceed. You will usually see this confirmation dialog when you install a new application in your Mac. So, you simply need to confirm and then press open. Most IDEs usually have this dialog box when you first install them. It asks you if you have an existing IDE settings that you want to import, or settings that you had already been using before, and then apply it here. If this is your first time to use the Android Studio IDE, or you don't want to import your settings, just select the latter and then press OK. Now, before we can complete the use of the Android Studio IDE, you have to make sure that the Android SDK and the other Android tools are properly installed. This will be shown in the Setup Wizard. Just press Next, and in here, you can choose if you want to use the standard or the custom installation. In case that you already have an existing Android SDK or Android tools in your machine, then you can select the custom installation, where you can choose which component that you want to install. But if this is your first time to do this, then it is recommended to choose the first option. So for now, we'll just use this standard way and then press Next. In the Verify Settings screen, you will see the summary of the components that will be installed on your computer. These are the SDK, Android Build Tools, Android Platform Tools, and other components that are needed for your Android development. The download can take some time, so just chill out and relax while you wait. You can also click this Show Details button to see what's going on under the hood. In the middle of the installation, you might be prompted with this kind of confirmation message. Usually, this thing happens when the Intel HAXM is being installed. So just press OK to continue. Alrighty, the installation is now complete. Just hit the finish button and then you're now ready to use the Android Studio IDE.